Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's class, dear students, we are going to do lesson number 6, that activities. Already in the last class, we have discussed the story and we have discussed all the question answer also. But in today's class, the remaining activities we are going to complete. So let's begin the class. So here activity number 3 it is given that your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. Okay, so first question it is given, the conversation at the table jumps from one subject to another. This means that, what does it mean? Options are one by one, only one or two things are talked about. Second option is that one thing is discussed by each person once at a time. Many things are talked about quickly. So the right answer will be the C1. Okay, C1 will be the correct option. So you have to circle the C1, everyone. Okay. Now I am changing the page. Now the second number question it is given, to do away with injustice means, to do away with injustice means to do an unjust act to get what you want, to stop injustice, to continue injustice. So three options are there. So first option and last option is not correct, second option is correct. So you need to circle the second one. To do away with injustice means to stop injustice. Okay. Now third one question it is given, take my words for it means you should believe me, you should tell everyone what I say, you should know that I am only joking. So three options are there. So you should believe me. So first one will be the correct option. You should believe me. Okay. Take my words means you should believe me. Okay. So here first activity number 3 we have completed here. Now we are moving further. Now activity number 4. In activity number 4 here, asking that your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. And here some words are listed. The first word is united. You are knowing the meaning of united? When there is cooperation among the members of any people, so that is called united. Like your family is united. What does it means? That you are all the members of your family, they are cooperating each other and living with friendly. So that is called united. So you may say that my family is united. Okay. Next one is the region. So region, already you are knowing what is the region means. Okay. So what is the region? You became late today. So you may give the reason. You must give the reason why you are late today. So this type of sentence you may make. Okay, impatient. Impatient means losing patience, means like I really want to do something, you are becoming impatient. Okay. Ram became impatient to watch the movie. Like that you can make sentence. Surprise. Surprise means something which is happening. We are not believing that things and something unexpected happens, that is called surprise. Okay. You may make one sentence for surprise, that Shyam was surprised to see her cousin brother. Okay. Accepted. Expected means something which is going to happen and you are knowing that it must be. So that is called expected. Okay. It was expected that students should complete the paper in 1.5 hours. Okay. Responsible means the person who is dutiful, that is called the responsible. Okay. My father is a responsible person. Retires means the person when becomes 16 years old, that person has Means what is happening? That becomes retired. Okay. My my grandfather retires from his job. Okay. Like this you can make sentence. Next is caused. Caused means what is the reason? Okay. Means what is the caused to be late? Honest. Okay. So you have to, this is quality, honest person. When a person is, always telling the truth, that is called the honest people. Okay, Ram is a honest boy. Effort means you have to make doing something, that is called the effort. So you will say that we must make effort to achieve our goal, to achieve our goals. So in this manner you will make one sentence from each and complete this activity in your copies. Okay, so now we are moving to the next activity. Between activity number 5 is also there. In activity number 5, what you need to do, you need to fill in the blanks with the given words, whatever words we have discussed. From those words you have to fill in the blanks in your book. Now activity number 6, in activity 6 it is asking, write a few sentences about a time when you made a lot of effort and were able to do something that was difficult for you. So this is personal experience. Everyone will write here his or her experience. That means like you have to write a few sentences that when you have made a lot of effort and then you were able to achieve something and you were able to do something that was difficult for you. It was very difficult for you, but when you have made the effort, lots of effort, then you were able to complete that work. So you have to write about that any. Okay, so I am going to share my one event here. What happened once, that I had to go to that Madhya Pradesh, Indore. That time I was living in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and usually what that my train was there from Patna junction at night, that 11:30 around it was there. Okay, so what happened, that it was expected that I will reach Patna around 8 o'clock, because usually what is happening, from my native place one train is there every day at 2 o'clock, and within 4 to 5 hours it is reaching Patna. So what I did means, as usually I came at 2 o'clock to my native station, that is Khagaria. Okay, from there what happened, means when I came there, that time I come to know that the train means by which I will go, the train was not there. Okay, train was cancelled, and now it was very difficult for me to get my expected train, which was from the Patna. So now what I did, that then I inquired there. I found that one super fast express was there named Garib Nawaz Express. Okay, so it was coming within a half an hour, and that was going Hajipur, not the Patna junction. And that ticket was also not available, because all the bogies are reserved, so ticket is not available. So then what I did, I take just simple super fast ticket of Hajipur, and I board that train. Okay, and anyhow I have reached Hajipur at 8 o'clock, and I thought now easily I can go to that Patna within half an hour after crossing the Mahatma Gandhi Setu. But what happened there, there was a jam, very big jam, and no, that auto rickshaw was ready to leave me there. And then what happened, at the last one, that auto rickshaw driver, he became ready, and he said that I will charge you 200 rupees, then I will drop you there. I said that you take 200 rupees, no problem, but on time you have to leave me. He said that no, there is no guarantee for that. Then anyhow I have board that auto, and anyhow how it was coming, it was stuck in jam for long time. I was very much worried Anyhow, at 11:36 my train was there. At 11:25 I reached Patna Junction, and by running I got my train. And when I board the train, after 5 minutes the train departed from the Patna Junction. So this is one of my story, my experience, which I am sharing here. That because the question was here given that you have to write something, okay, few sentences when you made effort and you were able to achieve something which was very difficult for you. It was very difficult for me that time. If I could lose my hope, that time only, that now I will not able to get my train. So what I could do, I could return home. So but no, so we should learn from this experience. You should learn that easily you should not lose the hope. Okay, so always have hope, trust in God, and do your effort. And when you will make effort, of course God will confirm you and you will get the success. So with this moral, I am going to end the class. Now here some home assignments are there. So first home assignment, it is given, read lesson 6 nicely and try to understand. So this you will do. The next one, it is that complete activity 3, 5, 6 and 6 of lesson 6 in your book only, and complete activity 4 of lesson 6 in your copy. So this is all homework for today's class. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you students, have a nice day, and please be at your house and don't go here and there until it is not needed. So thank you everyone, bye, have a nice day.